So some modifications are about performance, some are about function, and then there are some that are just there to grab people's attention. This is our OBS Chevy project, and our new rock lights aren't here to light up the trails or the work site, they're just here to help make a statement. So in this video, I'll go over the Auxbeam lighting rock lights and this awesome switch panel that they sent us. Talk about some of the features, how easy the install is, and why a setup like this might just be the finishing touch you need for your project. Let's start with Auxbeam's LED rock lights. And right away, I liked how clean and simple this system is. The lights link together easily, so you're not running a messy wire everywhere. And the main control unit only needs a basic power and ground connection to make everything work. These lights offer multiple lighting modes, solid colors, and different effects, which is exactly what you want in a show truck like this. They are all controlled wirelessly with the provided remote. You can also go get an upgraded version of these lights, which comes with the ability to control them Bluetooth through an app on your phone. Another nice feature with these lights is their memory function. So when you scroll through and you find a mode or a setting that you like, maybe it's the same color as the truck, and you decide you want to turn the lights off, they have a built-in memory so that when you turn the lights back on, they'll actually go to the last preset that you had them at. So the same color as your truck again. This is nice because you don't have to scroll through 17 different settings every time you turn the lights on to get to the color that you wanted. Installation of these lights was very straightforward. Just mount each one of your rock lights where you want them, link them together simply by plugging in the connectors that are provided, hook up your power and your ground to the main control unit, and you're done. No complicated wiring, no guessing, just a clean install that's not gonna fight you. Quick little tip here when it comes to running wires for the lights. You don't want your wires to show. You also aren't gonna wanna be screwing things underneath the bed rail here. So go grab some of this stuff that you can find on Amazon. It's actually a wire loom that you would run normally inside your house. You'd run your TV cable down the wall, makes everything look clean. This stuff has a 3M backing. It opens up so you can get inside the channel, stick your wires in there. All you have to do is cut this stuff to length, stick your wires inside of it, and you're done. Everything looks nice and clean. It's stuck up underneath the bed rails and nothing's showing. If you guys are interested in this product, I'll leave a link to it down in the description. And once we got these Auxbeam rock lights installed, the look was exactly what we wanted. It gives you that little bit of extra wow factor when you're at a car show. These lights are surprisingly bright, the colors are nice and vibrant, and they really highlight the details of the bed and the interior of the truck at night. This is one of those modifications that doesn't change the performance or the handling of the truck or make it any faster, but dang does it look cool, and who doesn't like LED lights? Next, we needed something to control all of our lighting with, and that's where this Auxbeam switch panel comes in. And man, this thing is awesome. Wiring up this switch panel was really not that complicated. The switch panel comes with its own main box or main brain, which hooks directly to your vehicle's battery. This main unit also has all the outputs that you would run for all your accessories. Each output is clearly numbered and it matches the correlating button that's on the switch panel itself. So you can lay out your accessory switches in whichever order you want. The switch panel itself hooks right to the main brain with just one simple connection. It also comes with a number of different button overlays so that you can label each one of your buttons properly to match whatever accessory you're running. So a really cool feature of this switch panel is that each one of these buttons can be programmed individually as either just a regular on-off switch or as a momentary switch, which means that it's only supplying power when you're physically pressing the button. This makes it nice because we could wire up everything from our compressors to all of our LED lighting, all the way down to something like a horn if you wanted. You also have the option to program the backlight color of the switch panel. So you can change this color to any color that you wanted so that it matches your interior or your vehicle. The switches themselves feel very solid. They have that positive click feel when you press them, and it doesn't feel cheap or gimmicky like it's gonna fall apart. If you have a lot of accessories on your vehicle like we do, having the right controller is just as important as the accessories themselves. This way you don't have a whole bunch of random switches or loose remotes laying around that you gotta try to keep track of. Everything is in one control panel, and it makes using all your accessories a whole lot easier. On our truck, this setup worked out perfectly. The rock lights give us that visual impact, and the switch panel keeps all of our accessory controls clean and organized, and that makes for the perfect finishing touch. I want to give a quick shout out to Auxbeam for sending us these products and giving us the opportunity to try them on our truck. If you're building a show truck or just want to add some lighting to your build, I'll have my affiliate link down in the description so that you can check everything out. So if you guys enjoy this type of content, do me a favor and hit the like button down below. Also, I want to know, leave a comment, are LED lights, or neons as they used to be called, finally making a comeback, or am I just stuck in the past? Please make sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our other build content, because our 1979 Camaro is finally getting some love in the form of some rally stripes. And make sure you guys head on over to Auxbeam Lighting. Pick yourself up some rock lights or a switch panel, and not only help support the channel, but then you can get out there and build something cool.